Welcome back. So in this part we are going to talk about the life cycle of a fragment. So when the fragment is started, the first method that it is going to be called is onAttach method. In this method we attach the context of the activity to the fragment, and then it is followed by onCreate method, which is slightly different to that of the onCreate method of the activity. So in the case of onCreate method of an activity, we link the view hierarchy of the activity to the activity object. But in this case, we don't link the view hierarchy of the fragment to the fragment object. Rather, we do so in the onCreateView method. And then onActivityCreated method is called whenever the onCreate method of the activity is finished. And then when the fragment is about to be visible to the user, onStart method is called, and the onResume method is called when the fragment is completely visible to the user. And if the fragment goes to the background, then it is going to be called onPause method, and if it cannot be resumed, then it will go to the onStop method. And from this method, if it is restarted, then it will go to the onStart and then onResume, and the process continues. And if we destroy the fragment, then it is going to be called onDestroyView, onDestroy, and onDetachMate subsequently. In onDestroyView, we destroy all of those views that we have created in the onCreateView. And if the fragment is no longer used, then it is going to be called onDestroy method, and then the fragment is detached from the fragment, and there will be no existence of the fragment from that point. So this is all the theoretical aspect of the life cycle of a fragment, and now we will see the life cycle of the fragment in the Java code and see how it looks like in the Android application. So see you in the Java code.